November 9, 9:30. So this fan broke. The bearing was bad. So repairing this, you gotta know how to do it. The first thing to do is cut off the end, and then after that, this pin can then be pushed out. So this pin was sitting here like this, and so once the end is removed, take this out, it'll be like this. Okay, then it can be pushed out. There are two bearings. There's a bearing here which is with Arvin. He went to Roxas to buy a similar bearing, and so there's bearing there held by a clip. Okay, so you can't pull this out this way because this clip will prevent the bearing at this end from coming out. So the best way to do is to remove the cap. Now I don't know where the cap went. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Now this thing is whole assembly. So you remove this end piece because you gotta to get at the bearing. Okay, and then the clip will have to be removed, and then the bearing comes out. There's a pin here which creates a distance between two bearings. So this is the middle insert. So that's how you disassemble this kind of fan. Because if a person tries to pull the whole thing out, it won't. You'll just end up destroying the whole thing. So this is how you disassemble a bearing, the pin, and then have this whole thing repaired. So this cooling fan is 15 years. So the insulator begins to wear out. So I'm just going to heat shrink something here and then put back the shield, because there's no point in not doing anything, because you'll ended up having to repair it again. So the bearing is inserted, and then the shaft from this side is inserted, and then we're gonna add the clip inside. Once the clip is inside, this insert separator with the other bearing. So the clip is inserted. Now we're adding the bushing separator. Ikamti grasya na. So the other one is inserted, and then the fan assembly will be inserted later. That's it. Thanks for watching.